Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a yellow tint screen problem. Okay, so you plug in a new screen and all of a sudden it's yellow. No matter what you do, you can't get the yellow tint away. And this could either mean two things. One is the monitor itself is defective. If that's the case, then it's pretty much garbage. And the other option is that you need to add a color profile into your display settings. Okay, and that this video I'll teach you how to do that. All right, so first what you want to do is go to display settings. All right, you can just search that. All right, so now since we're here, let's go down to, where is it, advanced display. Now here, depending on which, I have two monitors connected here, so depending on which one of your monitor, if you have multiple, is giving that issue, you can choose that display. Okay, so let's go to, click on this, display adapter properties. Now we have this pop-up over here. Over here we can select color management and click on color management. All right, so now we have the color management. We can do this. So if this is unchecked, check it, right? And we want to add a profile for this, okay? And the profile we want to add is specifically this one, okay? sRGB IEC, and then the file name is sRGB color space profile.icm. So we can just press OK. It's added here, right? Close it. And now basically we want to restart your computer, and it should the issue should be resolved. Okay, and in that case, you know, if it's still not resolved with this, one other thing you can check is to make sure there's an application either called Flux, and I think Windows 11 has it built in as well, but it's called something else. I think it's just called Nightlight. So basically the way to access that is you want to click on this over here, and you can see over here Nightlight. Okay, so we can select that, and I don't know if you can see it on the video, but basically it turns yellow, right? And this would apply to both monitors, or all your monitors if you have multiple monitors, right? And you can change the intensity of this. All right, so yeah, I'll just turn that off, and basically just restart your computer, and this should fix the issue if none of the other issues resolved it. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.